everyone, welcome to day 16 of 30 days LeetCode challenge. Today we are going to solve swap nodes in pairs. This problem requires us to swap every two adjacent nodes in the linked list and return its head. For example, for input 1, 2, 3, 4, it will swap first two nodes 2, 1 and then the next two node 4, 3. So the output will become 2, 1, 4, 3. And if the number of node is odd, the last node should remain same. So to solve this problem, we are going to use the recursion. So here is the plan. In the first step, we will check if the list is empty or has only one node. If that's the case, we will return the head. In the next step, we will declare the nodes which we are going to swap. After that, we will recursively call the method to swap the remaining pairs. And then we will swap the current pair. And at last we will return the new head of the swap pair. So in the first step, as mentioned, we will check if head is null or head.next is null. This will help us to check if there is odd number of nodes. And if it is, then we will return head. Now we will declare two list node variables, first node which will be initialized to head and the second node which will be initialized to head.next. So these are the two nodes that we are going to swap. In the third step, as mentioned, we will call swap pairs on second node.next and assign the result to first node.next. This effectively skips the current two nodes and processes the rest of the list. And for swapping the nodes in step 4, we will point second.next to first node to complete the swap. And at last, we will return the second node. Now let's check if everything looks fine. I think it looks fine. So let's try to run the code. And it's working fine. The recursive approach swap the first two nodes and solve the rest of the list. I think with this approach you can easily swap adjacent nodes in the linked list using recursion. So that's it for today's explanation. I hope you found it helpful. Stay tuned for more problem solving insights tomorrow. Happy coding!